Hello, students. We have already understood what actually is the syllabus that is to be studied in this year by watching the previous videos. In this video, we are going to learn about articles. We have been studying this topic right from the primary level, but still, many of us make mistakes while using them in sentences. Though we have discussed the very topic in the previous years, the expectation of understanding level increases with the standards. At this level, you will have to be able to know the complexity of articles and their usage. Let us begin then. In English, there are three articles named a, an, and the. These articles have been divided into two types as indefinite articles and definite article. In detail, we shall discuss as per the classification. Firstly, indefinite article A. Generally, the article A is used before the noun which begins with consonant letter. For example, a bag, a cat, a dance, a forest, etc. To use them in sentences, this is a brilliant book. There is a bag. Here is a table. And we have the second indefinite article called an. Generally, indefinite article called an is used before the noun which begins with vowel letters. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, etc. To use them in sentences, she met an elephant. He brought an umbrella today, etc. Alright, so far we discussed the two articles generally, but now we come across different examples wherein the indefinite articles used in exceptional cases. Firstly, indefinite article a. Sometimes the article called a is used before the noun which begins with vowel letter. Here, the noun begins with vowel letter, but the pronunciation of the vowel letter will be of consonant letter. Hence, in such situations wherein we come across certain nouns in the sentences, we will have to use the article called a. For example, a union, a European, a university. If you want to use them in sentences, we have made a union of sports. He is a European. Mr. John was a university professor, etc. There is another indefinite article called an, which can also be used in an exceptional case. Sometimes the article called an is used before the noun which begins with consonant letter. Here, the first letter usually becomes silent. For example, an honest person, an hour, an air, etc. To use them in sentences, he is an honest person. We discussed the topic for an hour. He received an honorary degree, etc. Alright, students, this is a basic idea to understand what actually are the two indefinite articles and their usage in general as well as exceptional cases. Thank you.